So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Repair. If you do not see Start to Repair, then you want to click on CM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Start to Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. And now hopefully this will fix your problem. If not, that's fine. We're going to click on Advanced Options. Now for the second method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on Command Prompt, you now want to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on Enter. Now you want to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on Enter again. If it says access is denied, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. Now you want to type in chkdsk space c : space /f space /r. Click on Enter. You now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete the scan, you just want to close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed. And some other things you could try is you can check all physical connections, such as your hard drive or your SSD cables. And you also want to ensure that your boot drive is set correctly in your BIOS or your UEFI.